Find the best backpack vacuum cleaners on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 6 best backpack vacuum cleaners on the market. 6. Sanitaire Quiet Clean Backpack Lightweight Vacuum. 4-stage filtration and HEPA filter for a cleaner and safer environment. 12-inch cleaning path for fast operation. 50 feet long cord for easy reach. 6-quart capacity to suit most applications. 69 decibels of noise for quiet performance. 5. Atrix HEPA Backpack Vacuum. Powerful 1400 watt motor has an air output of 106 cfm. Lightweight of 10.3 pounds for easy carrying. Dimensions of 12 by 9 by 20 inches for extra convenience and portability. 4-level filtration system for improved cleaning. 4. ProTeam Backpack Vacuums, ProVac FS6 Commercial Backpack Vacuum. 6-quart capacity to suit day-to-day applications. Adjustable and padded flex fit harness for maximum comfort. Open with fabric to cool the body during extended use. Extra long 50-foot cord for improved productivity. 4-level advanced filtration plus HEPA media filter for improved air quality. 3. Sanitaire Backpack Vacuum. 11-amp motor for fast and easy cleaning. 10-quart capacity for fewer emptying cycles. Load dispersion technology for efficiency and improved performance. Less than 63 dB for minimal noise. 2. ProTeam Commercial Backpack Vacuum, Super CoachVac Vacuum Backpack. Powerful motor for improved productivity. 10-quart filter for better cleaning. 4-level advanced filtration for cleaner. Many accessories for added versatility. 1. Hoover Commercial Vacuum Cleaner. Weighs less than 10 pounds for improved mobility. Chiropractor-designed harness for added convenience and comfort. Quiet operation for minimal disrupting. Extra long 48-foot cord for improved productivity. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.